how to register for M&S online banking. So it is quite a simple process to register for M&S online banking, and this can be done with the help of their mobile app as well. So you can download the M&S mobile banking application, which is Marks and Spencer banking application. So you can go ahead and then open it up, and once you've done that, it will ask me, are you already registered for internet banking? Now for those users who are already registered, you can tap on the yes button and log into your account. But for those users who are not registered, you want to tap on the no option right here. It will take you to their website, which is M&S Bank. Now here you have to simply enter your details based on your bank account and your legal details. So first you want to enter your date of birth in date, month and year format, your credit card details or your credit card number, and this can be found on your M&S credit card, your everyday savings account like your sort code, and once done, your account number as well. Once you've done that, you can tap on the continue button and follow the on-screen instructions to set up an online access for your M&S banking account. Then after that, you could come back to the app and log into your existing bank account. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.